Ito po muli si Kuya Eli, at narito ang aking kwento. Patuloy ang pamamahagi ng cake ni na Ma'am Lori Stacy at Sir Toting Villanueva sa ating mga nanay at tatay na mga senior citizens.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Bagamat may kapansanan sa paningin, mababanaag pa rin ang tuwa kay Tatay Modesto.
At pagmamahalan. Happy birthday,
Naghandog din ng isang sakong bigas si Ma'am Lori kay Tatay.
Salamat, Ma'am Lori.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Okay, make a wish, make a wish.
Enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Morning, Ma'am Lori. Salamat po sa pakik niyo. Pabigyan pa kayo ng mahabang buhay para marami pa kayo makasaya at marami pa kayo matulungan.
Kalusugan at saya ang aming panalangin.
Day to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday,
happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Handog naming regalo ay inyong tanggapin.
Morning! Happy birthday! Pasok na po.
The rays of the sun brings through. Arise early like morning.
Happy birthday, happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Sapat.
family. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Maraming salamat po ulit kay Ma'am Lori at Sir Toting. Marami po kayong nabibigyan ng tuwa at saya sa ating mga senior citizens, lalo na sa kanilang kaarawan, na binibigyan nyo ng pagmamahal at kalinga na tunay. Ito po muli si Kuya Eli, hanggang sa susunod na kwentuhan. Please follow for more.